So one of the problems that came to us when we were working and I was leading the connected vehicle platform for Ola. Fleet owners basically said that, can you do something for us so that the health of the vehicle is taken care of, and I get to know, if possible beforehand, that this vehicle should go into maintenance, so that my cost of maintenance is less. Because let's say there is a problem, or let's say there is a scheduled maintenance which should happen. If it is ignored, like we take our car for annual servicing or something, if it is ignored and the vehicle is run, there is a possibility that that problem magnifies and some bigger problem happens and the cost of maintenance increases many folds. So is there a way we can do it? So that's where we used analytics. So we had to put in some hardwares, etc., and we had to continuously listen to the inputs from those hardwares. And using the data, we built analytics algorithms which ran continuously and gave us a signal that, okay, this is the pattern that we are seeing.